There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello folks, another video. I put some, what do you call it, stuff in the Evaporust. Evaporust. I always call it that in my head. It's like, yeah, let's use the Evaporust. So anyway, yeah. I put the Wilton Vise in there and it's covered like mostly. But I don't know. Let's just see how it works, how good it is. Let's see. Get the jug out of here first. I did one side of it, and then I was planning on flipping it over. So look at that. Look at that. Took all the rust off it. Shit, worked perfect. Nice rusty water bottle. Stripped it clean. Yeah, right. Okay, where's the other one? I don't know if you can do laundry in here, take like rust stains out of your clothes. I'm not drinking this shit. Ugh. I got it on my hands and I accidentally rubbed my mouth and I was like nasty. Probably die of like some kind of poisoning or some shit. There we go. Put that on there. Now there's the fun part. Try to lift this up. Oh, look at that. Shit. There we go. Let's put it in here. Let's see. She looks pretty good. There's definitely a line there. Definitely a line where I said it. Oh, come on. 400 rags just for one spot. Well, I'll show you in a second here. Move my ballast out of the way. Yeah, okay, let's see that. Holy crapola, man. Look at that. I probably bend the camera down, you can see, right? Let's see now. Let's wipe my hands off. And I'll tilt the camera a little. There we go. Where is it? Right here? Okay. Take the big ugly box out of the way. Take the water bottles out of the way. Well, anyway, I don't know if you can see this, but actually, if you turn the goddamn light on, it'll help. Now, there's a line, right? You could probably see it on the camera where the rust is. But this thing, this Evaporust, did a damn good job. It's just wiping it off so I could see. But hell yeah. That shit is the bomb.com. Look at that. Look at this. Nice and clean. I'll wipe it off. And I'm going to throw it in one more night. And I want to see if I can clean all this out. The inside looks extra gooey. Like, yeah, see, it's extra goo. It's like black. But at least the inside key is. The inside is not ground down, thankfully. It looks pretty damn good. This side has a few spots that look pretty shitty, but yeah. A couple of spots where it didn't really look too good, but you know what? Pretty darn good for a gentle. There, I should probably put it up to the thing. This thing was like, look at how nice it is. I don't know, you can see the line where I put it. Right here, the line on it, where it didn't go far enough. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back in the keg. I'm gonna put it in the other way. Jesus. Holy shit. Holy mamma mia. Mamma mia. Here's the thing, I don't wanna bust the goddamn jug here. Which, maybe I should put the jug on the floor, right? Yeah, that would be a good idea. Put the goddamn jug on the floor. So you don't have to worry about Hang on. Wait, let me go like this first. I wonder if I put a block of aluminum in here. It's balanced. There we go, there's a little bit. Stuff that in there. There's another one. Ooh, we almost got it. Almost have it all the way in. If I can find another water bottle, I might have it right to the top. So, anyway, tomorrow I'll show the rest, and perfect. So, hope you liked the little Evaporust video, which you really can't see shit because the jar's over here. And anyway, enjoy.